हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज मैं NIS 336 डेटा एंट्री ऑपरेशन सेट ए के क्वेश्चन पेपर को सॉल्व करूंगा। NIS में एवरी क्वेश्चन पेपर के 3 सेट्स होते हैं, सेट ए, बी एंड सी। सेट बी एंड सी को नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सॉल्व करूंगा। 336 डेटा एंट्री क्वेश्चन पेपर में कुल 6 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जिसके लिए 2 आवर्स दिया जाता है। 336 डेटा एंट्री क्वेश्चन पेपर का टोटल मार्क्स 40 होता है और इसका पासिंग मार्क्स 13 होता है। क्वेश्चन 1, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। हाफ मार्क्स के 10 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, टोटल 5 मार्क्स। 1A, in Excel, AutoSum helps you to add the contents of a range of adjacent cells. 1B, the process of input, processing and storage is performed under the supervision of a control unit. 1C, when file and folders are deleted from hard disk, Windows places them in the recycle bin. 1D, the horizontal lines at the end of the document is called the end of document marker. 1E, in MS Excel, cell reference, cell address are provided in a formula. 1F, utilities are programs that bridge the gap between the functionality of an OS and the needs of the user. 1G, in slide sorter view, the slide can be dragged to a new location. 1H, F7 is the key used to check spelling and grammar in a document. 1I, replace fonts option contains present fonts that can be changed in a presentation. 1J, a router is used to connect your local network to the internet. क्वेश्चन 2, ट्रू और फॉल्स। हाफ मार्क्स के 10 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, टोटल 5 मार्क्स। 2A, प्लॉटर इज यूज टू इंटर डाटा इन अ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम। फॉल्स। 2B, control panel is used to add or remove hardware. True. 2C, the scroll bars are used to set margins in a document. False. 2D, F1 key is used to begin slide, so false. 2E, read only feature help to protect the document. True. 2F, the autofill feature allows you to create new formula in MS Excel. False. 2Z, TCP/IP is the glue of the internet. True. 2H, if you use an apostrophe, the number can be treated as text. True. 2I, normal view of a presentation divides the screen into 4 sections. False. 2J, MS Access, MS SQL Server and Oracle are the example of spreadsheets. False. क्वेश्चन 3, डिफाइन द फॉलोइंग टर्म्स एनी टू। एक मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चंस करने होते हैं आउट ऑफ 3 क्वेश्चंस। 3A, प्लॉटर। प्लॉटर, it is a special kind of output device that produces image on paper like a printer. These are of 2 types, flatbed plotter and drum plotter. 3B, URL. URL, every page on the web has a unique address called URL or Uniform Resource Locator. It indicated where the web page is stored on the internet. 3C, sum if function. Sum if function. This form of sum function is used to add the cells with a given criteria. Question 4, write the short notes ऑन द फॉलोइंग। 2 मार्क्स के 5 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, टोटल 10 मार्क्स। 4A, चेंज केस फीचर। दिस फीचर हेल्प्स इन चेंजिंग द केस ऑफ द कैरेक्टर्स इन अ पैराग्राफ विदाउट रीटाइपिंग द टेक्स्ट। दिस आर ऑफ 4 टाइप्स, सेंटेंस केस, लोअर केस एंड अपर केस, टाइटल केस एंड टॉगल केस। 4B, ऑटो करेक्ट फीचर। Autocorrect feature. This feature catches a typographical error automatically and allow you to use predefined shortcuts and typing patterns to quickly format your documents. 4C. IP address. IP address. Every computer linked to the internet, that is host computer, has a unique host number which is called Internet Protocol Address or IP address. It is written in the format xxx dot xxx dot xxx dot xxx, where xxx represent a 3-digit number which may be between 0 to 255. For example, 186.012.158.8. 4D. Elements of a text box. Elements of a text box. These are as follows: insert table, insert chart, insert smart art, insert picture from file, insert clip art, insert media clip. 4E. Auto format feature of MS Excel. Auto format feature of MS Excel. This feature uses table styles which are predefined collections of number formats, fonts, cells, alignments, patterns, shading, column width and row height to have a polished look of ranges of cells you specify. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, डिफ्रेंशिएट बिटवीन द फॉलोइंग। 2 मार्क्स के 5 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, टोटल 10 मार्क्स। 5A, वेब ब्राउज़र एंड वेब सर्वर। वेब ब्राउज़र, it is a software program which is used to access the www. It retrieves data from the remote web servers and displays web page. Web server, it is a computer which store web pages. It is responsible for accepting requests from users and servers them with web pages. 5B, source program and object program. Source program, it is the program written by the programmer in high level language and fed to the compiler for getting translated into the machine language. Object program, it is the program generated by the compiler after the translation of high level language program. It is in machine language. 5C, machine language and assembly language. Machine language, this language is in the form of zeros and ones, called binary numbers, which is directly understood by the computer. It is difficult to write programs in machine language. Assembly language, it is simpler and less time consuming than machine language. It is easier to locate and correct errors in assembly language. It uses mnemonics or symbolic codes to write program. 5D, main document and data source document. Main document, it is the personalized document in mail merge operation. It is the document containing the feed and graphics that stay the same for each version of the merged document. Data source document, it is a file that contains the names and addresses or any other information that vary with each version of a mail merge document. 5E, bar chart and area chart. Bar chart, these are used to show comparison between individual items. To make a bar chart, the data should be arranged in the forms of rows and columns on a worksheet. Area chart, these are used to highlight the degree of change over time and draw the total value across a trend. The data source should be arranged in the form of rows and columns on a worksheet that can be plotted in an area chart. 6A, आंसर द फॉलोइंग। 2 मार्क्स के 2 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, टोटल 4 मार्क्स। 6A1, राइट द स्टेप्स टू इंसर्ट पेज नंबर्स एट द एंड ऑफ ईच पेज इन अ डॉक्यूमेंट। सेलेक्ट इंसर्ट पेज नंबर्स फ्रॉम द मेन टैब बार. Select the position of the page numbers as bottom of the page from the position drop down menu. Click OK. 6A, question 2. Write the steps to protect your document using a password. Answer. Click on Save As command on the menu bar. In the Save As dialog box, move the cursor tool tab and click on General Options. Save dialog box opens. Type password in password to open box. Click on OK. In confirm password dialog box, retype the password. Click OK twice. 6b. On the basis of the worksheet given below, answer the questions that follows. 1 मार्क्स के 4 क्वेश्चन होते हैं, टोटल 4 मार्क्स. डेटा दिया हुआ है. नंबर 1, राइट द फॉर्मूला इन सेल F3 टू फाइंड ऋषभ's टोटल मार्क्स इन ऑल 3 सब्जेक्ट्स. 2, write the formula in cell G6 to find Shraddha's average marks. 3, write the formula in cell E7 to find total marks in maths of all 5 students. 4, write the formula in cell F7 to find highest of total marks obtained by the class. Answer B1. F3 is equal to sum bracket C3 is to E3 bracket close or is equal to C3 plus D3 plus E3. B2. G6 is equal to average bracket start C6 is to E6 bracket close. B3. E7 is equal to sum bracket start E2 is to E6 bracket close. B4. F7 is equal to max F2 is to F6.